Hello and welcome everyone. From the previous tutorial, we got an overview of how to implement multithreading in Python. Now let us take a step further and understand the difference between multithreading and multiprocessing. Nowadays, every person who uses desktop, laptop or mobile device leaves their digital footmark, and programmers are working hard to work with such enormous amount of data. A program's capacity for computing is impacted by large amount of data. Therefore, while dealing with such massive amount of data, our first goal should be to look for methods that will shorten the program's computing time. Now, Python has the answer for this issue as it offers method for parallelism, and this method enables dispersed program execution across the system several GPU and enabling parallel computation. Now, multiprocessing and multithreading, which uses process and threads respectively, are the processing agents which are fundamentally two techniques to achieve parallel computing. We must define process and thread to comprehend how these things operate. So basically what happens in multiprocessing, the system is in charge of running anonymous tasks. The system is in charge of running numerous tasks or processes at once, but in multithreading, the system is in charge of running multi-threads that may or may not be part of the same process. The computing processing, which is also known as the throughput speed of the system, is accelerated by multiprocessing environment. The responsiveness and the system use are improved by multi-threading environment. Now in multiprocessing, CPU switches between many processes that will occur following the task scheduling algorithm like round robin primitive FCFS, giving the impression that many programs are executing at once. On the other hand, multi-threading makes this possible by dividing CPU among several threads that could be part of the same operation. So it appears like several threads are active at once. Now, numerous processes run simultaneously in multiprocessing system, whereas multiple threads of same process run simultaneously in multi-threading system. Now, each process in multiprocessing is given its own memory and resource, while in multi-threading, a group of threads that are part of the same process shares a common memory space and resource. While several processes are running simultaneously in multiprocessing, multiple threads are running concurrently in multithreading. Serialization of objects is incomplete with multithreading. On the other hand, multiprocessing allows for the serialization of items in memory for transmission to other processes. Now I hope with this you got an idea related to the difference between multiprocessing and multithreading, and with this we have also come to the end of this tutorial session. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.